Welcome. My name is Depo Mohammed. So today I want to see how to prepare net present value (NPV). Net present value. Remember, I'm going to give a short formula for NPV. Remember, we say NPV is equal to present value cash inflow minus present value cash outflow. We simply subtract the present value cash inflow against present value cash outflow. So I have here an illustration. Let's say required that this guy expected, remember here 0 is the what he has invested, which is 1 million. That's the present value cash outflow. So here 1, it requires a return of, this is a cash flow of 200,000, here 2, 100,000, here 3, 400,000, here 4, 100, here 5, 500,000. Then the cost of capital is 12%. So we want to prepare the net present value for this project. So since we have the present value cash outflow, which is 1 million, but now our task is to prepare the present value cash inflow. For us to prepare that, let's write here year. We have here year 1, year 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's have here present value interest factor at, remember the cost of capital is 12%. 12%. So then we get present value. So for us to get, remember these are normally they are normally given in a paper, but you can get it by saying for year 1 you can say 1 plus 0.12 raised to negative 1. This will give us, sorry, before we write this, let's have the cash flow. Let's have the cash flow. The cash flow for year 1 is 200. Year 2 is 100,000. Year 3 is 400. Year 4, year 1 200, year 2 100, year 3 400, year 4 100, year 5 500,000. So these are our cash flows. Next we get the present value interest factor at 12%. Remember, our cost of capital is 12%. For us to get this, we take, for year 1 we take 1 plus 0.12. 0.12 is 12 over 100. We raise to negative 1. Then if you multiply this with this, you will get the present value. For year 2, it's going to be 1 plus 0.12 raised to negative 2. For year 3 is 1 plus 0.12 raised to negative 3. For year 4 is 1 plus 0.12 raised to negative 4. Year 5 is 1 plus 0.12 raised to negative 5. So we multiply that with this amount. If I take 1 plus 0.12, remember it is 1.12, so we raise 1 raised to negative 1. Then I multiply with 200,000. I'm getting 178,571. 178,571. Next is 1.12. If you add 1 plus 0.12, you'll get 1.12. So 1.12 raised to negative 2. Then I multiply with 100,000. 100,000. I'm getting 79,719. 719. Next is 1.12 raised to negative 3. Then multiply by 400,000. I'm getting 284, 712, 284, 712. Next is 1.12 raised to negative 4, 1.12 raised to negative 4. Then I multiply with 100,000, 100,000. I'm getting 63,552, 552. Lastly, we have 1.12 raised to negative 5 multiplied by 500,000, getting 283, 713. Now we add this present value, so that we get, this will give us present value cash inflow. We sum up this 178, 571, add 18, add to 284, 712, add to 63, 552, add to 283, 713. So it's giving us 890, 267. Then we less our present value cash outflow, which was 1 million. So we say less present value cash outflow of 1 million. So we'll get NBV, our net present value. So answer minus 1 million. We're getting negative 109,733. So if we were to advise this investor, we told him to reject the project because it has a negative NBV, and that's the decision. If you ask to advise any NBV which is negative, we advise him to reject. But if you could have positive NBV, we could have advised him to accept the project. And if it could have given us 0, so it is him to decide whether to invest or not to invest. But if it is negative, we reject the project. Since this is a negative, we reject the project. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment. I'm ready to answer it. And welcome. May God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.